Today, we're diving into a quick guide on how to change what reels you see on Instagram. If you're tired of scrolling through content that doesn't quite match your interests, stick around because we've got some straightforward tips to personalize your reel feed. 1. Interact with the reels you love. The first step is simple: interact with the reels you enjoy. Instagram's algorithm pays attention to your engagement. Like, comment, and share the reels that resonate with you. The more you interact with a specific type of content, the better Instagram gets at understanding your preferences. 2. Communicate dislikes. Now, what about the reels you're not a fan of? No worries. If you come across a reel that doesn't spark joy, click on the 3 dots in the bottom left corner and hit Not Interested. Instagram takes note of this, ensuring that similar content won't flood your feed in the future. 3. Fine-tune your preferences. To take control of your reel feed, head to your profile page. Click on the hamburger menu in the corner, then navigate to Settings and Privacy. Once there, select Suggested Content. Here, you'll find options to adjust your preferences. Interested in. Tailor your feed by selecting the types of content you're interested in. Sensitive content. Control the level of sensitive content you want to see. Not interested in. Fine-tune your dislikes and let Instagram know what to avoid. Specific words and phrases. Customize your feed further by filtering out content based on specific keywords. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to customize your Instagram reel feed. Interact with the content you love, communicate your dislikes, and fine-tune your preferences in the Suggested Content tab. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more quick tips on navigating the digital world. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.